Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation on furnace method. This is one of the method in growth factor method, and here KP Furnace has devised this method. That's why it is named as furnace method. Here he has considered the future traffic originating and terminating at each zone, and their growth factors are multiplied alternatively to distribute the trips among the various zones. It is similar to Frater method but requires less computations. So here we'll see the one example. As such, formula in Frater method, there is no separate formula, but here we'll be using the growth factor values, individual zone growth factor values, to calculate the further trip distribution among the various zones, right? So here the question given is, he has given the OD matrix, whatever red color, the red pen it is written is given data in the question. Solve the problem by furnace method for the given OD matrix. Predicted origin and destination trips are 147, 42, 32, 30 and 39, 24, 68 and 120 respectively. So he has given the OD matrix, okay, this origin destination matrix, and predicted origin and destination trips. Predicted origin and destination trips he has given. So once again you need to prepare the OD matrix. Here the same question extension I have done. So while solving we need to make separate OD matrix and three more columns and three more rows additionally we need to make. So first column will be total present trips. Total present trip is nothing but from zone 1, 8 plus 3 plus 16 plus 15 is equal to summation of this zone 1 is 42. Please keep the calculator with you and try to cross check all these values. And predicted trips from zone 1 to 4 he has given 140. This is predicted origin trips. This is origin and this is destination or attraction, right? So 147, 42, 32 and 30 respectively from zone 1 to zone 4. Like this you can write it here. Next, growth factor. Growth factor, we know the formula. Growth factor is equal to future predicted divided by the present. So future is 147 divided by 42. So 3.5 is the growth factor. 3.5 is the growth factor. Similarly, 42 divided by 28. 1.5 is the growth factor. 32 divided by 29. 1.1 is the growth factor. So one or two calculations you can show and rest all directly you can put the values in the examination. Similarly here, trips attracted towards zone 1 is 8 plus 6 plus 10 plus 2, 26, right? And this is present trips. This we need to calculate. Whatever in blue color and black color I have written, that is we need to calculate, right? And red color he has given in the question itself. Predicted future trips 39 he has given 39, 24, 68, 120, right? So don't get confused. This is origin and this is destination or attraction, originating and attracting towards these zones. So when he has mentioned destination trips are, these are destination trips. Trips destinating at zone 1 is all these trips. So 39 divided by 26, these are the growth rates, right? With respect to, this is called destination growth factor, we can mention. And these are origin growth factors. These 3.5, 1.5, 1.1, 1.2, this is not same as this, right? So destination growth factors are different, origin growth factors are different. Reason, so here the values are not same. For example, zone 1 to 2 is 3 number of trips, but zone 2 to 1 is 6 number of trips. It is not same. So you won't get same growth factors for origin and destination growth factors. Getting the point? So now the for further iteration, there is no formula here. So we need to consider any one of the growth factors. Either you take destination growth factors or origin growth factors. That doesn't matter. Any one of the growth factors you need to consider and multiply with these individual trips between the various zones. How we need to multiply? So for example, this is 1.5 of destination growth factor for zone 1. So this 1.5 I need to multiply with 8, 6, 10 and 2. 8 into 1.5 will give the new trips between zone 1 to 1. 6 into 1.5 will give me the new number of trips between zone 2 to zone 1, right? So here I have written the statement. Now distribution of interzonal trips is based on destination growth factors that is selected. So out of destination growth factor or origin growth factor, any one of this you can try. So here I have selected destination growth factor. Either origin growth factor or destination growth factor can be selected first. Alternatively, these growth factors could be selected to distribute the trips till we get the growth factor as unity. Hope the things are clear. So next table, what we are going to do? Next calculation will be 8 into 1.5. And 3 into, it is its respective growth factor is 1. 3 into 1 and 16 into 2. Next 15 into respective growth factor is 3. So column wise the growth factor remains same. 6 into 1.5, 10 into 1.5, 2 into 1.5. So like this growth factor remains same and respective values we need to write in the table. Or easy understanding I have written in the table itself, or one or two calculations you can show in the table itself and directly you can put the values. 8 into 1.5, 6 into 1.5, 10 into 1.5, 2 into 1. So after getting all this matrix, again we need to calculate the total present trips for zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 and zone 4. So for your understanding, I have made this both origin and destination growth factors. Otherwise, if you are starting with the destination growth factors, just calculate the destination growth factors and next multiply those things in the matrix and get the origin growth factor methods. So as I have used destination growth factors, now here I have calculated only origin growth factor values. Getting the point? Origin growth factors. Origin growth factor values. So these new origin growth factors I am going to multiply. Why I need to multiply? Why didn't I stop? Because here the value is 1.6. It is more than 1, right? Till I get unity I need to try. So the proper distribution need to be done, or this present and future predicted, it should be nearly equal, then only your growth factor will be unity, right? So multiply this values for this entire row. So when origin growth factor is there, multiply for the entire row. When destination growth factor is there, multiply for the entire column, entire row. And a new trip distributions will get, right? So here some fractions are also coming, that also you can write. And once you fill the OD matrix, calculate the present trips. So do cross check using calculator simultaneously, then only you can understand. Otherwise it is very difficult when you try to solve on your own. Hmm? So do practice, then only it will be easier. Otherwise, for just for discussion purpose, it may be easier. One time you multiply with origin growth factor, and another time you multiply with the destination growth factors. Like this, it is easy. But when you do for uh, when you practice, that time it will be difficulty you will face. So at least mm, sit with the calculator and cross check these values. So present trips and future trips. So new growth factors are 1.04, 1.23, 0.89 and 1.01. So here also it is more than 1, right? And it is not unity, hardly one value we have got near to 1 or unity. So what we can do again, these destination growth factors we need to multiply for the column entire column and get the new values of trip distribution among these zones. So here I have written 19.2 into destination growth factor as 1.04. 1.04 I have multiplied for the entire column, right? And get the whatever in black ink is written, those are the actual values of trip distribution among the various zones. Again, we calculate the present trips, right, for each zone. And to calculate, this is given in the question itself, right? 147, 42, 32, and 30. That is future trips. It remains the same. So new growth factors are 0.74, 0.99, 0.97, 0.91. Almost near to 1. So it is, so here we can stop the iteration process, and these will be the trip distribution among the various zones, right? So at the end you can just write the sentence. So all these values, growth factor is near to unity. So here we can stop the iteration process, and individual trip distribution among the various zones are in the OD matrix. Okay, so do practice. Thank you very